Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate my EXO Don't Fight the Feeling inspired design. Start off by painting your index and middle fingernails black and the rest of your nails light gray. Outline the black nails with light gray. Use black polish to make a guide for where you want your planet to be. Make short, horizontal, light blue dashes following the guide. Add white dots for highlights. Make a white blob at the bottom right, a white line above the planet, and some dots for stars. Fill in the white blob from the middle outwards with yellow, orange, and red. Fill in the white line with neon pink. Seal in your design with a top coat. For the middle nail, do the same thing and make a guide with black. Use green polish to make horizontal lines inside the planet, and then add some highlights with light green. Add more horizontal lines, this time with dark blue, and then add highlights with neon blue. Add another planet at the top with green and blue. Add an orange and red line near the bottom left, and then use white to add some stars. Fill a couple in with neon pink. Seal in your design with a top coat. On the ring finger, make a rounded, dark gray rectangle just above the center of your nail. Outline the rectangle with a medium gray. Use black to write START under the rectangle. Seal in your design with a top coat. On the pinky nail, make 3 circles, one with green, one with red, and one with blue. Outline the circles with medium gray. Use white to make an O in the green circle, an E in the red circle, and an X in the blue circle. Seal in your design with a top coat. On the thumb, we're going to be making EXO's logo. Start off by using dark gray to make 4 right-angle triangles that fit together to make a square. Leave a line in the center of the one on the left. Next, make a rounded rectangle at the base of each triangle and then fill them in. Outline the logo with a medium gray. Seal in your design with a top coat, and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!